Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior, and we have a beige interior, some black accents here, some silver accents, blind spot assist, sunroof, little wood grain accent trim as well, power memory seats here on the driver's side, heated seats for both driver and passenger. We've got the premium Burmester sound system upgrade here also in this vehicle. Driver's seat with lumbar support, steering wheel. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And I'll come around to the rear. We've got our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Lots of storage space, and of course you can always fold down those rear seats if you need a little extra storage. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 50,229. To have a push button ignition. And here is our display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that is climate controls, some of the buttons to access some of those functions we just walked through, ashtray, cigarette lighter, cup holder, and command module here for making adjustments on the display, and our shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.